Hey everyone, Gus is here. In the last video, we took a domain and boiled it down to a list of live web hosts. Today, we go one level deeper. We hunt for the hidden directories and files those hosts don't link to anywhere using a tool called Gobuster. Quick reminder, only run this against a target you own or have written permission to test. That's why we're on a local lab box today. So, what is Gobuster? It takes a word list, a big list of common folder and file names, and asks the web server about every single one. The server's response tells us what's really there. A 200 means the page loaded. A 301 or 302 is a redirect, usually to a real folder. And a 403 means forbidden, which ironically confirms something's there, you just can't get in. Before we run Gobuster, one quick setup step. I'm saving the path to our word list in a variable called WL. A word list is just a big text file full of common folder and file names. This one, common.txt from derb, has about 4,600 of them. Saving it in a variable means I don't have to retype that long path every single time. Now, the scan itself. Gobuster, dir mode for directories, -u for our target's address, -w pointing at that word list, and -t30 to send 30 requests at a time. Hit enter and give it a few seconds to do its thing. All right. Look at what came back. Config, docs, external, real directories the site never linked to anywhere. There's a robots file and a server status page in there too. That config folder is the interesting one. On a lot of applications, that's where database credentials end up. And this is the whole point of directory busting. Finding the doors nobody advertised. But folders are only half the story. The real loot is usually in files. Add -x php, txt, and Gobuster appends those extensions to every word in the list. Watch what shows up now. Setup, login, instructions, a whole admin surface we completely missed the first time. The lesson? Always tell Gobuster what file types to expect. Gobuster isn't the only tool for this. Meet the family. ffuf does the exact same job, and it's a touch faster. You give it a URL with the word fuzz, where the guest goes, the same word list, and a filter for the status codes you care about. Same hidden directories, different engine. Feroxbuster and derb round out the family. Pick whichever fits your flow. And that's directory busting. Point a word list at a target, read the status codes, and add file extensions to find the real loot. We now have a map of hidden pages on our host. Next video, we feed this list into new clay and start scanning those pages for actual vulnerabilities. If this helped, hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll catch you in the next one.